Hello friends, my name is Anirudh and welcome to my channel Codes and Mores. Before we start it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting more updates. In this video, we will discuss about the Tic Tac Toe game in Python 3.6. So let's begin with Python. Okay friends, here I use a Jupyter notebook which is a text editor for Python. In this video, I will show you how to run the Python program in Jupyter notebook. So first click on Google Chrome and type localhost 8888/3 and click on new Python 3. Here you get a Jupyter notebook. Just type code here and run the program. So first let's see the code for tic-tac-toe game. In this Python code, I declare a file global variable which will access throughout all over the program, and the temp list which is also a global which we'll use in our program. From ipython.display import clear output. Here ipython.display is a package, and from that package we import a clear output class. Next we define a display board function. This function displays the tic-tac-toe board. Next we define the winner function which will check the following condition, and according to the following condition it will display the result. Now here j is a global variable and we assign 9 to the j because here we end the loop in location function, which we'll see later. Next we define the exchange function which will insert the symbol in a temp list and display board and also check the winner. It will call the winner function and display board function, which is a type of nested function. And next we define a reset function which will reset all the values of temp list and j to its initial state. Here we also declare a temp list as a global and j also a global. Then next we define a location function which contains the location variable loc, which value is set to 0, then global j. You see that here we declare j as a global because j as a global and temp list as a global, etc. Because we uses the global j into the function. If you don't declare j as a global inside the function, then it will give you an error. So inside the location function we uses a while loop which compares j is less than equals to 8, and according to the condition it will execute the block of statement. Here we come to the main block, and now the first print statement, print welcome to tic-tac-toe. Then input the first player name, then second player name, then again while loop, while true executed the following block of statements. Then clear output which will clear the screen, then choose symbol by player 1, then player 2, then call the display board and then location function. Then here input your choice, do you want to play again, yn. If yes, then reset function is called and continue. If no, then clear the output and check the following conditions. If count1 is greater than count2, this count1 variable will count the wins of player 1 and count2 will count the wins of player 2, and if both count1 and count2 are equal, then it will be print congratulations player 1 and player 2, both you won equal matches, and break the loop. Now let's run the program and see the output. What will be the output? So to run the program, hit shift plus enter, and now we execute our program. Enter the first player name. You just enter your name here, press enter. Enter second player name, just hit enter. Enter your choice. I choose star. Enter your choice, Sarvesh. Oh. Please enter the location where you want to insert a symbol. I insert a symbol to first location. Sarvesh, please enter the location where you want to insert symbol. at second location, and then I wanted to insert my symbol at fifth position. In Sarvesh, please enter the location where you want to insert a symbol at second position. You see here, when trying to insert a symbol to a second location, it will display that already location contains a symbol. Please enter into the another location. Sarvesh, please enter the location where you want to. So I at third location, enter. So it will choose here. Then I wanted to insert the symbol at ninth location. Enter. Congratulations, Anirudh, you won the game. Do you want to play again? Yeah, by N. So write I don't want to play again. So write N. Hit enter. Then congratulations, Anirudh, you won more matches than Sarvesh. Exit successfully. So in this way, our program will run and start executed. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel to see the new updates. Thank you.